All right, kindergarten. To wrap up Dr. Seuss week, I told you if you guys did a really great job, I would read you my least favorite Dr. Seuss book, Fox and Socks. So, here we go. The reason I do not like Fox and Socks is because its full title is Fox and Socks, a tongue twister for super children by Dr. Seuss. You guys are super children. This is going to make Mrs. Jameson's mouth hurt. Here we go. It says, take it slowly. This book is dangerous. Here we go. Fox and Socks by Dr. Seuss. Fox, socks, box, knocks. Knocks in box, fox in socks. Knocks on fox in socks in box. Socks on knocks and knocks in box. Fox in socks on box on knocks. Getting trickier. Chicks with bricks come. Chicks with blocks come. Chicks with bricks and blocks and clocks come. Look, sir, Mr. Knox, sir. Let's do tricks with bricks and blocks, sir. Let's do tricks with chicks and clocks, sir. Got me. First, I'll make a quick trick brick stack. Then I'll make a quick trick block stack. You can make a quick trick chick stack. You can make a quick trick clock stack. And here's a new trick, Mr. Knox. Socks on chicks and chicks on fox. Fox on clocks on bricks and blocks. Bricks and blocks on knocks on box. Now we come to ticks and talks, sir. Try to say this, Mr. Knox, sir. Oh boy. Clocks on fox tick, clocks on knocks talk. 6 sick bricks tick, 6 sick chicks talk. Try that, kindergarten. Clocks on fox tick, clocks on knocks talk. 6 sick bricks tick, 6 sick chicks talk. Please, sir, I don't like this trick, sir. My tongue isn't quick or slick, sir. I get all those ticks and clocks, sir, mixed up with the chicks and talk, sir. I can't do it, Mr. Fox, sir. I'm so sorry, Mr. Knox, sir. Should I stop there? No? Okay. Here's an easy game to play. Here's an easy thing to say. New socks, 2 socks, whose socks, Sue's socks. Try that. New socks, 2 socks, whose socks, Sue's socks. Who sews whose socks? Sue sews Sue's socks. Who sees who sew? Who sees who sew? Whose new socks, sir? You see Sue's new socks, sir. That's not easy, Mr. Fox, sir. Got me again. Who comes? Crow comes. Slow Joe Crow comes. Who sews crow's clothes? Sue sews crow's clothes. Slow Joe Crow sews whose clothes? Sue's clothes. Sue sews socks of fox in socks now. Slow Joe Crow sews knocks in box now. Sue sews rows on Slow Joe Crow's clothes. Fox sews hose on Slow Joe Crow's nose. Hose goes, rose grows, nose hose goes some, crow's rose grows some. Mr. Fox, I hate this game, sir. This game makes my tongue quite lame, sir. Mr. Knox, sir. What a shame, sir. Mrs. Jameson's tongue's starting to hurt. We'll find something new to do. Here is lots of new blue goo now. New goo, blue goo, gooey, gooey. Blue goo, new goo, gluey, gluey. Look at all that blue goo. Gooey goo for chewy chewing. That's what the goo goose is doing. Do you choose to chew goo too, sir? If, sir, you, sir, choose to chew, sir, with the goo goose, chew, sir, do, sir. Mr. Fox, sir, I won't do it. I can't say it. I won't chew it. Very well, sir. Step this way. We'll find another game to play. Bim comes, Ben comes. Bim brings Ben broom. Ben brings Bim broom. Ben bends Bim's broom. Bim bends Ben's broom. Bim bends, Ben's bends. Ben's bent broom breaks. Bim's bent broom breaks. Ben's band, Bim's band, big bands, pig bands. Bim and Ben lead bands with brooms. Ben's band bangs and Bim's band booms. Pig band, boom band, big band, broom band. My poor mouth can't say that. No, sir. My poor mouth is much too slow, sir. Well then, bring your mouth this way. I'll find it something it can say. Oh dear. Here we go. Luke Luck likes lakes. Luke's duck likes lakes. Luke Luck licks lakes. Luke's duck licks lakes. Duck takes licks in lakes Luke Luck likes. Luke Luck takes licks in lakes duck likes. I can't blab such blibber blubber. My tongue isn't made of rubber. Mr. Knox, now come now. Mr. Knox, now come now. Come now. You don't have to be so dumb now. That's not nice. Try to say this, Mr. Knox, please. Oh dear, here we go. Through 3 cheese trees, 3 free fleas flew. Well, these fleas flew, freezy breeze blew. Freezy breeze made these 3 trees freeze. Freezy trees made these trees cheese freeze. That's what made these 3 free fleas sneeze. Stop it, that's enough, sir. I can't say such silly stuff, sir. Very well then, Mr. Knox, sir. Let's have a little talk about Tweedle Beetles. The Tweedle Beetles. Oh my. What do you know about Tweedle Beetles? Well, when Tweedle Beetles fight, it's called a Tweedle Beetle battle. And when they battle in a puddle, it's a Tweedle Beetle puddle battle. And when the Tweedle Beetles battle with paddles in a puddle, they call it a Tweedle Beetle puddle paddle battle. And when beetles battle beetles in a puddle paddle battle, and the beetle battle puddle is a puddle in a bottle, they call this a Tweedle Beetle bottle puddle paddle battle muddle. And Oh my goodness. Oh, here we go. When beetles fight these battles in a bottle with their paddles, and the bottle's on a poodle, and the poodle's eating noodles, they call this a muddle puddle, tweedle poodle, beetle noodle, bottle paddle battle. And now wait a minute, Mr. Socks Fox. Oh dear, here we go. When a fox is in the bottle where the Tweedle Beetles battle with their paddles in a puddle on a noodle eating poodle, this is what they call a Tweedle Beetle Noodle Poodle bottled, paddled, muddled, duddled, fuddled, wuddled, fox in socks, sir. Fox in socks, our game is done, sir. Thank you for a lot of fun, sir. Oh, there we go. Our little fox in socks. Now, is your tongue numb? My tongue is definitely numb. I hope you enjoyed this story, kindergarten. I will see you all tomorrow. Work hard on your accelerate and have a great rest of your night. Bye-bye.